Hello, I am Prashant Nagre, Managing Director of Fermenta Biotech Limited. Fermenta is the only manufacturer of vitamin D in India and a leading player globally. The widespread deficiency of vitamin D affects more than 1 billion people across the world. Multiple studies of vitamin D deficiency in India have reported an incidence of not less than 80 to 90% deficiency. Vitamin D can be consumed as pharmaceutical or as supplements or can be included in fortified foods. Food fortification of staple foods such as edible oil has been studied extensively. Indians consume a large quantity of oil, that is about 1.9 million tons of oil per month, making it an accessible commodity and a good vehicle for fortification. FSSAI has issued regulations for making fortification of edible oil and milk possible with guidelines established. These staple foods are fortified with vitamin A and D, enriching their nutrient content. In pharmaceuticals, the role of vitamin D3 in health and immunity is immensely explored in COVID-19. Vitamin D may be considered an important detriment of respiratory health as well. The spike in demand of vitamin D3 during the pandemic has plateaued due to inventory being stocked. However, we expect the baseline demand to be much higher than the pre-pandemic levels. The key challenge is that India is still a prescription-driven market with a high dependency on physicians to recommend vitamins for patients. Globally, the trend has moved from a curative to a preventive prescription, with the focus shifting from treating illnesses to maintaining health, thereby consumers being in charge of their own destiny. As per the survey by the Council for Responsible Nutrition, overall supplement usage in the US, to just take an example from the other world, is slightly lower than the pandemic peak. However, the usage of ingredients linked with immunity such as vitamin D3 is steady as compared to last year. Vitamin D is likely to remain popular due to its deficiency prior to pandemic and positive media coverage of its benefits. These Western market trends are a preview of where India is headed. We feel that Indian market will shift from a reactive to a proactive approach once consumers become more educated on the benefit of supplementation. The economic impact of preventive health benefits of vitamin D can be measured by the expected decrease in the risk of osteoporosis and fractures post supplementation. Fragility fractures as a result of untreated osteoporosis occur a decade earlier in Indians in compared with Western society. In India, the prevalence of osteoporosis among rural postmenopausal women is approximately 40%, while nearly 1/3 of them suffer from moderate to severe fractures. Supplementation of vitamin D at preventive intake levels can result in cost savings derived from avoided osteoporotic fractures and hospital stays. This has potential to significantly reduce the rising cost of healthcare in India. Now finally, accessibility of screening facilities at primary healthcare centers along with increasing consumer awareness can ensure optimal vitamin D levels in Indian population. Eliminating hidden hunger, including vitamin D3 deficiency, will bring our nation closer to achieving the United Nations Sustainable Goal Development Goals for 2030. Thank you so much.